Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the car safe and isolating power. Park level, chalk wheels, then disconnect the negative battery terminal so nothing shorts. Once done, the AC refrigerant must be recovered by a certified machine or a shop. You cannot legally vent it. With the system empty, raise the G37 on jack stands and remove the serpentine belt. This exposes the compressor. Finally, unplug the compressor electrical connector and any clutch wiring so you can access mounting bolts without interference. Now remove the refrigerant lines from the compressor. First, loosen the fittings and cap both ports immediately to keep moisture out. Next, support the compressor with one hand or a small jack and remove the mounting bolts. Be prepared for a bit of weight and awkward angles. Once free, lower it carefully and set it on a clean surface. Before installing the replacement, compare the new compressor to the old one. Check shaft length, port threads, and bracket alignment so the swap is straightforward and leak-free. Install the new compressor using new O-rings lubricated with the specified PAG oil and torque mounting bolts to the factory spec so alignment holds. Once mounted, reconnect lines and electricals, then evacuate the system with a vacuum pump to remove air and moisture. Charge the system to the manufacturer's refrigerant weight and pressure spec. Watch gauge readings closely. Finally, run the AC, verify cold air, and listen for abnormal noise. If pressure is low, check fittings for leaks first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.